Okay, I couldn't wait. I should have just left the daggone video together. Let's do a taste test. I really want to taste test both of them, but I ain't gonna do it. And this is the strawberry and coconut. Y'all get tired of me doing this? My glasses be sliding down. My hair used to be a little bit fatter than this. So I think my glasses. Nah, that's the way I take them off. I stretch my glasses out. I'm talking stuff. I mean, I still got a big head. Chrome dome over here. All right, let's taste it. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm trying to pick up the taste because this one is, excuse me, strawberry and coconut. Look. It's okay. It's not as good as I thought it was gonna be. Actually, I'm kind of pissed because it tastes like strawberry and pina colada. Let me try it again. Man, I was all excited. It's like the texture is frozen all the way through, and the middle I thought it was gonna be like ice cream or like a sorry, I'm being nosy. See who my neighbor got sneaking in their house, cause that ain't her dude. But y'all ain't hear that from me. So I'm being messy. It don't taste like what I think it should taste like, because there is no, it's coconut, but there's no ice cream, and it don't even taste like coconut ice cream. It just tastes like strawberry pina colada. And I keep biting into it like it's gonna taste better. Don't get me wrong, it's not nasty, but it's not what I expected, and it wasn't worth $5. I might come on and do the other one, the pina colada. I don't know.